So hey guys, I just want to show you what I built just now. I just did a welcome page and a logout sign. So uh, so this is what we built so far. So if I actually go to the sign up page now, uh, say I'm entering, and if I hit submit now, it's gonna show up my validations. I'm entering a first name here. Um, Clark Kent. Clark@email.com. Password. Password. Email has been already taken. Okay, so I'm gonna enter Peter Parker. Peter@email.com. Shit. What superhero? Okay, gonna enter. No. I'm out of names. What name? Okay. He-Man. That's a very odd name. So I don't hate that name. What superhero? Okay. So Stanley Ipkiss. I don't know why that thing keeps on popping up. By the way, Stanley Ipkiss is the mask. So if I hit submit now from the sign up page, it's gonna take me to the login page. So if I hit submit now, cool. If I hit submit now, it's gonna show my validations. I'm entering my email, stanley@email.com, password. All right. If it's good, if I hit submit now, it's gonna take me to a welcome page, which basically has nothing except it's gonna show the user's first name, which is Stanley. So if I hit submit right now, cool. So it's showing the user's first name. And I have this icon here, which is the logout button. So if you actually see over here, this is my welcome page, which I created. As you can, I'm using the font awesome icons here for the icon. So if I actually click the button over here, if I actually on press, it's gonna run up this function called as quit. So what quit does is it's gonna remove the JWT. So one more thing, in React Native, you can't use local storage. So you have to use async storage. If you go to the docs over here, since we are using the expo template, if you go to the expo docs, if you go to async storage here, it says async storage is simple and encryptable, blah 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 blah. So it should be used instead of the local storage. So if you are if you are in a React Native front end and if you are using the expo template, you need to use the you need to use the async storage instead of the local storage, and that is why I was I was having problems with the login page yesterday. So if you actually see over here, I took off the local storage, I inserted async storage. It's just like they're both sort of the same thing. So you need to change in the login page as well. So if you actually go to the login page, uh, Yeah, I know Dan did change this thing, so you need to make sure if you're in a React Native project, you need to use async storage instead of local. So I come over here, I'm running this function called quit. Okay, so if I actually press this button over here, it's gonna take me back to my home screen. So if I actually press this thing right now, cool. It's the user has been logged out. So what basically I did is, like, if you go and log in, I'm logging in with say Tony. So tony@email.com, password. If I actually hit submit right now, if it's successful, it's gonna go to my landing page with the user's first name, and that means the user has been logged in. So if I hit submit now, cool. So it just shows the user's first name. If I actually click this thing, it logs out. So yep, this is what I did today. I don't know. It's like, so that's it. I just, I want to know what you guys are planning to build further. Just select them down, and if you guys seem to find some tutorials useful or interesting, please select them too. Okay.